artists not go through easy times, you know.
Yeah.
You see me? So if do a man me have him way and them Ray, if me hear a man out the road a bash busy or a bash Mavado, me I go say, oh, what you do? Because I know how the man them used to suffer. And the whole of them was friend. You see me? The only thing with me just have that kind of connection there and the band there with me and Mavado, just have that kind of respect there. Zine, brother Mavado, what me can say? Mavado just see me and say, Norris, me I go and show, yo, buy Norris a ticket, yo, where I go over? So me I say, singer, where me I go? He must say, me I care, you go and show me over summer, where I go over Guadeloupe, man. Or more time I come to Miami, I say, me there in Miami and sing where I say, where you do? You there a yard? I say, me there a yard. Him say, go pick up some fish over Screech and wrap them up and carry them come. And me there the man big old house and the man say, room up there, so the man. Go and go Ray, man, and chill out, man, and Ray, man. I will pick up in a big old Range Rover and big Rolls Royce and van. Say, where I drive, go down the road. Far where I come from, you know.
Mavado.
Yeah. When you come to that something there, always genuine. Me go to Jamaica right now, me can just go up on Mavado yard and say, what I go on? Everything good, like one family. You understand?
Yeah.
Bounty killer, you know, me not say bounty killer regular, but when me go to Jamaica, me see them, man, everything good. You know me I say? Because me say everything start from Oakland's apartment, the whole of everything. You know? So what me never like still, it's sad to know that when me say bounty killer do them thing, me dey expect that from the Rastafarian community. To push out some artists. And when I talk them thing, them vex. And probably that's why you say enough things go on, because them vex. But that's true. You can't run from the truth.
Click here to watch the full episode and don't forget to subscribe.